big breaking news that's coming in from Uttar Pradesh, from Hathras, where there's been a tragic stampede that's been reported and the death toll upwards of 60 plus. This is the information we're picking up. Videos are also coming in of the horrific stampede that's been reported at a religious gathering. This was at a satsang in Hathras of Uttar Pradesh. So far, officials at the site have confirmed to us that the death toll is at about 50 to 60. Unfortunately, what we can tell you is that it's expected that that number, the casualty count, will only go up because there are scores of people who've also been injured, are in a critical condition and have been rushed to the hospital. You just heard also from Prime Minister Modi, who while speaking in Parliament made a mention of the Hathras stampede, expressing his condolences, also offering his wishes and prayers for all those who've been injured, saying we pray for their well-being. There's also been an announcement from the UP Chief Minister on all necessary help being rushed right now to Hathras to help the pilgrims at this point as they cope with this unbearable, heartbreaking tragedy. And those images on your screens summing up the scale of the tragedy that we're witnessing currently in Hathras. Little children have been injured. Little children have died as a result of this stampede. There will be serious questions asked about whether this was a result of utter mismanagement and lack of preparation for a huge religious gathering that's led to such a large death toll being reported. There are some reports suggesting right now that the death toll has crossed 100, but we can tell you that officially, what officials on ground have told us is that it is between 50 to 60 at this point, but they have said that they're still tracking the numbers that are coming in. There are many pilgrims at this point who are being rushed to the hospital, as you see on your screens there as well. An unbelievable tragedy that struck Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. We understand that thousands of people had gathered for, in fact, a satsang, a Shiv satsang in Hathras. And soon after the satsang got over, when they were exiting, is when a stampede broke out, indicating that this was a result clearly of lack of preparations, lack of deployment on ground and lack of facilities for the gathering there. Let's get you some official reactions from the ground, from Hathras.
देखिए, बहुत ही दुखद घटना एक हुई है और सिकंदरा राऊ के पास हाथरस जनपद में एक मुगलगढ़ी गांव है, वहां पे भोले बाबा का प्रोग्राम चल रहा था। ये जो सूचना प्राप्त हुई है उसमें भगदड़ से लोगों की डेथ हुई है। हमारे यहाँ एटा हॉस्पिटल में अब तक 27 डेड बॉडी आ गई हैं, जिसमें 23 महिलाएं हैं, 3 बच्चे हैं और 1 पुरुष की डेड बॉडी है।
इसमें जनपद हाथरस में एक आयोजन भोले बाबा का समागम हो रहा था, जिसमें जब समागम अंत हो रहा था तो उस समय अत्यधिक उमस के कारण जब वहां से लोग निकलने को हुए तो उस समय ये घटना कारित हुई है। देखिए, अभी इसमें जिला प्रशासन अपनी तरफ से पूरी इसमें कार्रवाई कर रहा है, जिसमें कि सभी घायलों को अस्पताल और जितने भी अन्य लोग हैं उनको वहां से निकाल के अस्पताल भेजा जा रहा है। अभी एग्जैक्ट नंबर बताना संभव नहीं है।
भीड़ ज्यादा थी,
बहुत ही भीड़ है, बहुत ही
की वजह से ये मौत हुई।
एक संग वो रुक गया का दबे गए वहां में हमारे संग ही जे
आपके कोई परिवार का कोई मिलने वाला आपके भी खत्म हुए?
हाँ, माई जे नंद लगाती है
वो भी खत्म हुई है।
दर्शन करने आए बहुत भीड़ आती। अब एक बिट्टू है उनका गोदी लाए तो हाथ पकड़े भैया बच्चा नीचे आई गया, नीचे आई गया।
क्या भगदड़ मच गई थी क्या?
हाँ, भगदड़ मच गई थी। हमारे बहुत गोड़ में दर्द हुई, लेकिन अपने बच्चे बचाई पाओ हम।
आप लोग हो कहाँ से आए थे आप लोग?
हम आए तो भैया फरखाबाद कह रहे।
कहाँ पे, कौन सा जिला है, कहाँ पे पड़ता है ये? यूपी में। अच्छा।
अब यहाँ दर्शन करना आए थे।
अरे एक भीड़ थी, वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर हो गए बच्चे।
आपके साथ कितने लोग आए थे?
पूरी गाड़ी भर के आई थी, कमेटी आई थी, जयपुर की कमेटी आई थी।
कितने लोग थे गाड़ी में लगभग?
अरे हम गिनती ना है, पूरी गाड़ी, बड़ी गाड़ी भरी थी पूरी।
बस थी। हाँ। कितने बजे आ गए थे आप लोग वहाँ पे?
हम लोग तो 9:30 बजे आ गए थे, पंडाल में 10 बजे आ गए थे।
अच्छा, पंडाल 10 बजे। क्या घटनाक्रम हुआ क्या?
समापन के बाद में भीड़ एकदम से सब निकली, एक दूसरे के ऊपर सब हुई है।
अच्छा, भगदड़ से मच गई, कुचल दिया एक दो।
अच्छा, तो उसमें बच्ची आपके साथ और आपके पति भी आए थे क्या?
वो नहीं थे संग में।
सत्संग खत्म हो गया, वहाँ पे बहुत सारी भीड़ हो रही थी। रास्ता जाम हो रहा था, निकलने के लिए जगह नहीं थी, तो तो एक दूसरे हम खेत की तरफ से निकल रहे थे, वहाँ वो सारी बाइक खड़ी थी और मम्मी देख रही थी, तो अचानक ही धक्का मुक्की हो गई, जगह नहीं थी पाँव धरने की, तो अचानक ही बहुत सारे लोग उनके नीचे डर गए, उनकी तो मौत हो गई। मेरे साथ आई थी मम्मी की ऐसी हालत थी।
ये बिस्सु सागर जी महाराज हैं, उनकी सभा थी, उनके जाने के बाद ये हादसा हुआ है। ये रोड के किनारे खड़े हुए थे, धक्का लगा, वो नीचे गिरते हुए चले गए, एक दूसरे के ऊपर गिरते चले हुए, नीचे जो लोग दब गए वो निकल नहीं पाए। कम से कम 100 आदमी थे, कम से कम नीचे दबे हुए हैं वो। हाँ कुछ एक्सपायर भी कुछ ज्यादातर हो चुके हैं, वहाँ पे 20-25 तो ऑन स्पॉट ही कर चुके हैं, ऑन स्पॉट खत्म हुए।
इसमें घटनाक्रम में यह है कि अंदर कोई घटना नहीं हुई है, घटना जो भी हुई है वो पुलिस प्रशासन की वजह से रोड पे घटना हुई है। पुलिस प्रशासन ने जो है मुस्तैदी से अपना काम नहीं किया है और उसकी वजह से पुलिस प्रशासन अभी इसी टाइम में, योगी जी अगर मेरी बात सुने हो, तुरंत पूरे स्टाफ को सस्पेंड किया जाए, नहीं हम लोग रोड पर उतर के सस्पेंड करेंगे।
जी, हम लोगों को माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी द्वारा निर्देश दिया गया है कि एक बड़ी घटना हाथरस में घट गई है और मौके पे हम लोग स्थिति का जायजा लेकर के और सरकार के द्वारा जो भी वहाँ पे उचित निर्णय लेने हैं उसको उचित निर्णय लिया जाए। और हम लोग, क्योंकि घटना काफ़ी लोग इसमें संख्या अभी तक बढ़ती चली जा रही है लगातार, हम सब लोग जाकर के देखने वाले हैं कि वहाँ पे क्या जो घटना का स्थिति है वहाँ पे स्थल पे जाकर के, और जैसा होगा अभी हम लोग अवगत कराएंगे।
The information that's trickling in, unfortunately, is that there are many women and children who've died as a result of the stampede. You heard from eyewitnesses and locals who were there. They're saying that the area was so overcrowded, there was a small gate through which everyone was pushing through to come in, leading to many people dying either of suffocation or being trampled to death. Some of the eyewitnesses, they're saying that they rushed to the nearby fields, but the area was so crowded that even that didn't help. And that's what's led to this huge casualty count. I want to bring in Abhishek Mishra as well as Shreya Chatterjee on this broadcast. Abhishek, beginning with you. Unfortunate, heartbreaking news coming in from Hathras right now. There's also reports suggesting that the death toll, unfortunately, could just go up. It could be upwards of even 100.
Well, absolutely, Akshita, and that's very heartbreaking and tragic at the moment, with the fact that how this incident has happened, and that too in a religious event which was happening there in Hathras. The village is Ratibhanpur Mughal Garhi. It is comes under the area where this event was happening of a religious leader, where the satsanga was happening, and when this satsang was over and the devotees and the people, thousands in numbers, were trying to exit the area, this stampede had happened and they gone over each other. Now what is being reported right now is that the death count is currently between 80 to 90, and it could go beyond to it. There is no surety at the moment, because the administration as of now is on the ground, and at the same time CM Yogi Adityanath has also taken cognizance of this matter. He's minutely taking the feedback from the ground. A special team has been sent, including the Chief Secretary, the DGP, and 2 ministers from the Yogi cabinet are also being deployed there to make sure that the things are done properly. But the biggest question is over the arrangements within the premises, and of course the outside, because it is indeed the responsibility of the local administration to provide the to deploy the forces, to make sure that the security arrangements are there. The committee is also responsible for the fact that why there were not proper exit arrangements made. They know for the fact that the number of people gathering there has crossed the thousands of bar, so that is something which was an alarming situation. But without any kind of arrangement, they let go of this event, and when this this event concluded, when it was time to exit the area, when the people were coming out of these premises, this has happened. A big question on the arrangement at the moment, but indeed very tragic and very alarming also, because the number is now increasing, and it can go beyond 100 if confirmed by the administration. Yes.
You know, prayers for all those who've been injured in this incident. We're hoping at this point that all of them recover. But what we're being told is extremely grim news, that many of them are in an extremely critical condition, which is why we're constantly saying that we could see that casualty count going up. I also want to bring in Shreya Chatterjee. Both Abhishek and Shreya are headed right now to Hathras to get to ground reports on exactly what happened. Shreya, piecing together the information that we really have from eyewitness accounts and officials, take us through what happened. How are we seeing so many casualties being reported after a satsang like this?
Well, you know, what has been ascertained from especially the eyewitness accounts and the deceased family members who've spoken to the media there, it's being suggested that the entire place where this congregation took place, the exit was extremely narrow. When the people began to exit after this alleged godman Narayan Sakarhari, who's coming in as Bhole Baba Satsang, these people tried to exit. There was a commotion that resulted into the stampede. When people tried to exit, many people fainted there. What we're also getting very disturbing news, Akshita, is that mostly the ones who have been a part of casualties are women and children. A large number of people had gathered for this congregation. So a big question lies on the administration, the authorities. They cannot really say that it's not their responsibility. If they knew that such a huge congregation is taking place, arrangements had to be put in place. What we're also hearing second-hand is that when the incident transpired, obviously the amount of pressure that fell in the medical administration, because we're talking about hundreds of people who were taken to the hospital, fainted. There was a delay in the immediate attention, the first aid that was required, which also as a result of the ripple effect, we're seeing that the number of casualties could actually be really high. We are yet to get an official figure, because obviously the police and everyone is right now there working and try to first and foremost ensure that those there are attained to properly. But the numbers, Akshita, are really going to be high, because the visuals that are coming in are extremely shocking and disturbing from Hathras.
And many of those visuals, the footage that's emerging from Hathras, we're not able to even air because of the graphic nature of some of those images. It shows you the number of casualties as well. Abhishek, right now the focus will be on rescue, rehabilitation, providing all necessary medical care. What's being done on that front? Because we understand that hospitals too are completely overburdened. Hundreds of patients who've now been rushed in for critical care.
Well, absolutely, Akshita. Now the priority is on the relief, on providing the rescue, and at the same time to get immediate treatment and health facilities to those who are badly injured. Now, at the moment, what I said earlier also, that the CM Yogi Adityanath has taken cognizance of this matter, and he has also, granted an investigation, and the reports is to be submitted within 24 hours about the primary reasons behind this incident. It has also been said that the ADG, Agra Commissioner and Aligarh, there is a joint team which has been constituted, and they are reaching there and trying to get the immediate action on the ground as far as this relief and this whole management is concerned. Also, what is important is that the state government has announced an extra of about 2 lakh for the deceased family and 50,000 for who are badly injured. This is the aid from the government, and at the same time, strict monitoring has been done. But now the question is again coming into the frame that why this has happened. The administration had the information about the fact from the committee that this kind of event is currently underway there. Still, they were very much aware of the fact that the exit from that area is very narrow. Still, there were no arrangements for making sure that these thousands of devotees and followers, when they will come out, at least there is a proper exit. That was not made sure. And also at the same time, why this incident happened in a moment where within the committee also they were not sure, and they have no proper arrangements to accommodate such big number. So that is something which needs to be answered at the moment. Although the district magistrate, the in charge, has now said that they are trying to provide the immediate help to these people, but what the eyewitnesses on the ground are saying that for about an hour or so, there were no relief, there were no people to help them. And that has, worsened the situation there. this could have been controlled if there would have been an immediate action. That also got delayed, exceeding the number of these deaths. And again, it remains to be confirmed by the administration what is the exact number, because that is getting changed right now. And but indeed a big tragic incident, and the death count can go beyond as the moment as more the information is coming. Yes.
From what you're telling us, Abhishek, this is brazen, blatant negligence and the result of direct lapses. Those images are on your screens, a result of direct lapses by the local administration. Because what Abhishek tells us is that nearly 1 hour since the stampede broke out, still no help reached any of these victims, no help reached any of these pilgrims. And that means essentially adequate deployment wasn't done on the ground. We've already highlighted for you how there was a lack of arrangement. So much so that these hundreds of people, and just imagine that for a second, hundreds of people who were gathered in this ground all had to exit from one small gate once the satsang came to an end. And in fact, this Baba, this Maharaj who had held the satsang left. So all of them pushed through the small gate. That's what led to the stampede. So clearly preparations weren't put in place. There were no facilities whatsoever for the pilgrims. Officials say, look, there was overcrowding. But there should have been, ideally, information that this kind of an event was going to take place. We need to ensure adequate deployment on the ground. There was such scarce deployment that even after the tragedy took place, even after the stampede broke out, it took over an hour to bring things under control. It took over an hour for help to reach many of these patients who were no doubt in an extremely critical condition and perhaps lost their lives as a result of not reaching hospitals on time. And that's why we're saying that this is a result of blatant negligence that you're seeing now. 60+ deaths being reported in the stampede in Hathras. Let's get you a ground report from a local hospital in Hathras. This is Devesh Pal Singh reporting.
इस समय मैं एटा मेडिकल कॉलेज पर खड़ा हूं, जहां पर एक बड़ा हादसा हुआ है। हाथरस में बताया जा रहा है भोले बाबा के सत्संग में भगदड़ जब मची थी तो उसमें करीब काफी लोग जो है कुचल कर दब गए। अभी तक 27 बॉडी जो ऑफिशियल जो बताया गया है, सीओ ने जो बताया कि अभी तक 27 बॉडी महिला पुरुष की जो है हमारे पास यहाँ हॉस्पिटल में आ चुकी है। सत्संग खत्म हुआ, उसके बाद जब लोग निकलने लगे तभी अचानक भगदड़ मच गई और सूचना है कि अभी और भी ऐसे जो सब हैं जो वहां से चले हैं वो अभी एटा पहुंचने वाले हैं। देवेश पाल सिंह, यूपी तक, एटा।
So as information trickled in of this tragedy in Hathras, the Prime Minister was speaking in Parliament. He made a mention of the stampede as well, offering his condolences and prayers for those who've been injured. Let's just play out that excerpt for you.
यूपी के हाथरस में जो भगदड़ हुई उसमें अनेकों लोगों की दुखद मृत्यु होने की जानकारी आ रही है। जिन लोगों की इस हादसे में जान गई है, मैं उनके प्रति अपनी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं। मैं सभी घायलों के जल्द से जल्द ठीक होने की कामना करता हूं। राज्य सरकार की देखरेख में प्रशासन राहत और बचाव कार्य में जुटा हुआ है। केंद्र सरकार के वरिष्ठ उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार के लगातार संपर्क में है। मैं इस सदन के माध्यम से सभी को यह भरोसा देता हूं कि पीड़ितों की हर तरह से मदद की जाएगी।
Okay, so that was a message from the Prime Minister. He took some time out briefly from his speech to speak about what's happened in Hathras. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has also reacted so far, assuring all possible medical help being rushed to Hathras to take care of the pilgrims, many of whom are still in a critical condition. Shreya Chatterjee is live with us. She's headed to Hathras as we speak. Shreya, I did highlight some of the lapses that have emerged in the last few hours, and I bet in the next 24 hours there will be many more such lapses that will come to the fore that led to so many pilgrims losing their lives in Hathras. Right now, the Yogi government is putting the focus on ensuring adequate, medical help is rushed to the ground. But is there also going to be an investigation into what led to this kind of a tragedy?
Well, there has to be an investigation, Akshata, because this is something which is a man-made tragedy. If you put so many people, and we are really, from the initial numbers that are coming in, which first needs to be ascertained before we put it out, these are thousands of people who had gathered at one spot, which had a narrow entry exit. It was a tragedy waiting to happen. What was the local DM doing? What was the local police doing? Why were they not aware? If they were aware, and if a prior permission was also
taken...
Shreya,
I'm just interrupting you because we're getting in a live reaction from the Hathras MP. Let's play that out for our viewers.
हमारे साथ हैं हाथरस से सांसद अनूप प्रधान जी। अनूप जी, आपको क्या अभी जानकारी मिली है? हाथरस में एक घटना क्या हुई है और कितने लोगों की हताहत की खबर आपको मिली है?
देखिए, मैं भी सदन के अंदर ही था क्योंकि सदन की कार्रवाई चल रही है। तो देश आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जैसे ही कहा तब मेरे संज्ञान में आया, तो मैं तत्काल सदन से निकल करके वही मौके पे जो है जा रहा हूँ। और अभी मेरी वहाँ के डीएम और एसएसपी दोनों से मेरी वार्ता हुई है। काफ़ी लोगों की अभी एग्जैक्ट फिगर नहीं है क्योंकि एग्जैक्ट फिगर नहीं है, काफ़ी लोगों की इसमें दर्दनाक मृत्यु है और काफ़ी लोग उसमें इंजर्ड हुए। देखिए, प्रथम दृष्टा जो मुझे बताया गया है कि वहाँ पर भगदड़ हुई है। आप कोई कथा को लेकर के जो वहाँ स्वामी जो भी उसके कथावाचक थे उनसे मिलने के उस क्रम में जो है वहाँ लोग भगदड़ जैसी हुई है और उसी में लोगों की जो है इतनी बड़ी तकलीफ।
आप स्पॉट पे जा रहे हैं?
मैं मौका
जी। तो हाथरस से सांसद हैं जो इस वक्त अब स्पॉट पे जा रहे हैं और जिस तरह से घटना हुई हाथरस को लेकर उस पर प्रधानमंत्री, गृह मंत्री और उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री और जितने भी अधिकारी हैं।
Okay, so that's Piyush in conversation with the Hathras MP Anup Pradhan, who's confirmed that he is now headed to his constituency as we speak. There will be serious questions right now asked of the authorities of the state government on what preparations were made to ensure to accommodate this kind of a massive crowd for a satsang. Yes, there was overcrowding, but the fact is that there were no exit points whatsoever. There was no deployment whatsoever. That even 1 hour after the stampede broke out, no help reached any of these pilgrims. There was nobody to break off the stampede, to bring things under control, which is what's led to 60+ deaths right now. We're still getting in official figures from the ground, from Hathras, where you've got the district magistrate and other officials who've reached the ground. And I'll bring in Shreya also on this. Shreya, at this point, information still coming in on the death toll, on the number of casualties and those injured. There is a serious fear right now that that number could go up. It could be 100+ because of the images that we're seeing of the large-scale casualties being reported in this tragedy.
Well, absolutely right, Akshita. We'll not report the exact figure unless and until it's officially confirmed, because we are talking about death figures over here. But what the visuals are coming in, we are being told that it will unfortunately cross the 3-digit. So this is an extremely sad incident that's taken place in Hathras. And as you were rightly pointing it out, I mean, heads need to roll, because if such a huge congregation was happening, why was the local authorities not, aware of it? What about the DM? What about the local police? And if they were aware, if a permission was taken, then why were proper arrangements not put in place and a congregation allowed at an area where the exit was allegedly narrow? Because not just one witness account, multiple witness accounts that have come in already, they suggest that when they tried to exit the area, the exit was so narrow that many people in the commotion, they fainted, and subsequently, as you were also pointing it out, that because medical attention was also not adequate, the subsequent number of injuries that have increased is because of that. And this clearly points out that despite such a huge congregation being organized, the district administration was not prepared if at all a tragedy had to take place. So this is completely a man-made tragedy. The organizers need to be booked. There needs to be strict action against these people, because unfortunate reality, Akshita, this is one incident where such a mishap has happened, but there are multiple such congregations of alleged godmen.
You're right, Shreya, in pointing out that there are going to be serious questions asked about the lapses that have come to the fore already in the last few hours that we've reported on based on eyewitness accounts about how there were narrow exit points for hundreds of people who gathered here, all of them rushing out from one spot. It has led to over 60 deaths, and many of those, heartbreakingly, we're told, are women and children.